We have already discussed about the sources of vitamins, and we have also discussed about the carbohydrate. We have also discussed about the sources of fats, and also we have discussed about the sources of vitamins, and also we have discussed about the source of minerals, and also we have discussed about the nutritive, non-nutritive fibers, or you can say the raw phase, and also we have discussed about the water. Now, my dear students, how the food helps our health. So, healthy eating a balanced diet that is high in fruits, vegetables and whole grains can help reduce the risk of chronic diseases and prompt overall health. Chronic disease. One disease आज शुरू हुआ for a long term, month to month, it is a continuous process that is called as chronic disease. That is called as which disease? Chronic disease. Okay, good. Then my dear students, we need certain physical activity also. Regular activity is essential to the body to maintain a healthy body weight and muscle mass, as well as reducing the risk of chronic diseases like heart disease and diabetes. Daily physical activity. We must walk for a distance, we must run for a distance, we do certain physical activities regularly. Then our body will become fit. Nowadays, some students, they have been going to the gyms. Huh? Yes or no? In the early morning, some are going to the morning walk, evening walk. So many people are going to the stadium or any playground for a long running systems. On daily basis, they have been following all these principles because these are the good activities to maintain our health in an excellent or good condition, because health is wealth. खाना तो खाइए, macronutrients खाइए, micronutrients खाइए, ओके, नॉन न्यूट्रिटिव फाइबर्स भी खाइए, वाटर ले लो, सब कुछ कर लो बेटा. इसके अलावा, इसके बावजूद आपको भी physically you should have to do certain activities on daily basis. Then we all will become fit. Am I clear? So that's why regular activity is essential. That is called as a physical activity. See, some of the kids, they have been regularly going to the dance classes. Some are doing the running. Some are playing cricket. Some are playing football. Some are playing volleyball. Certain play, or you can go for any morning walk, evening walk, or running processes, everything. Am I clear? It is essential for us. For everybody, it is essential, my dear students. So nicely, we'll go for the different tests are there. That is also related to your topics. This is the components of food. My dear students, scientist has developed certain test. पता कैसे चलेगा? An examination test. Yes, after completion of your syllabus in your school, regularly appearing certain examinations, formative assessment, summative assessment, like this. There are so many monthly tests, unit tests, different tests are there. Because how much performances you have built up in between that time schedule. Yes or no? ये समय के अंदर आप कितना पढ़ाई किया, कितना प्रैक्टिस किया, कितना याद किया. That's why there is a test how we can go to visualize, to analyze, to find, yes, it is protein. There is certain chemical tests are there related to our science for proteins. So first of all, discuss the test of protein. What is the different systems are there? So first of all, we'll go for dilute copper sulfate solution. Then here dilute hydroxide solutions, purple coloring appears in food sample solutions. Then this is the system. Food sample is collected and add the dilute copper sulfate solutions. Then another one, a purple coloring appears in food sample solutions after addition of dilute hydroxide solution. If it is like this, then it is positive. That means present. If the color is like this is called as negative. That means absent. So this is called as the test for proteins. So nicely it is also given in your book related to NCERT science book. And also we can go for test for starch. So starch, where it is available, I have already discussed with you. Where? After protein, after vitamins. Tell me. Where? Proteins discussions किया था, carbohydrate discussion किया था कि नहीं? तो their starch is here. Orangey brown color of iodine turns to blue black who reacts with the starch. When the color will changes to orangey brown color for iodine, iodine chemical होता है बेटा, it turns to blue black after reacting with starch. Just see, is a potato, is a peeled potato, cut down the pieces, then add up iodine there and you see the coloration. Okay, orangey brown color were turned to blue black by means of starch is present. The starch react with iodine. Because you have added iodine, starch was there. That's why the orangey brown color has changed into what? Blue black colors. Yes or no? It proves that starch is present related to your carbohydrate. We have already studied carbohydrate present in potato also, like your vegetable. Yes or no? Okay, my dear students. Like this starch test, go for the fats. So in fats, my dear students, for this test in the food items where the fat is present, show testing of food for fat, sample of food, will bring certain food sample in a piece of paper, then rub it, उसको rub करना, then translucent spots, the food spot will there, the translucent spot presence of fat. अब देखो जब oily like structure, translucent, transparent, translucent, the paper will become so oily. Translucent, you can visualize partly. Okay, so that if that will change, the spot will be there, then it will be analyzed and will confirmed. So fat is there. Oily, ghee, they are filled with fat. Yes or no? This is the system for the testing of food for fat. My dear students, so nicely you all have been cooperating me till the starting of the class today by interacting about the topic components of food that is related to your standard 6 chapter 1 in science NCERT. My dear students, what we have discussed today classes, again we'll go for the recapitulation. दोबारा थोड़ा उसको डिस्कस कर लेते हैं. What we have discussed till now. The major nutrients in your food are carbohydrate, yes or no? Then proteins, then fats, vitamins and minerals. In addition, food also contains dietary fibers and water. That we have already discussed. Carbohydrates and fats mainly provide energy. That we have already discussed. ये discussion भी हो चुका है बेटा. Carbohydrates and fats से क्या मिलता है बेटा? Energy मिलता है to our body. Then proteins and minerals are needed for the growth and maintenance of the body. तो प्रोटीन एंड मिनरल्स क्या काम करता है बेटा शरीर में? द नीड फॉर द ग्रोथ एंड मेंटेनेंस, प्रॉपर मेंटेनेंस ऑफ द बॉडी. विटामिन्स, वी हैव ऑलरेडी डिस्कस्ड द विटामिन्स. विटामिन्स क्या होता है बेटा? वी हैव ऑलरेडी डिस्कस्ड विटामिन्स एंड मिनरल्स. दे आर कमिंग अंडर व्हिच न्यूट्रिएंट ग्रुप? अभी मैंने पूछा तो confused? No, tell me, धीरज बोलो बेटा. हाँ, okay. Vitamins, minerals are coming under which? Oh, micronutrient. Very good. So vitamins helps in protecting body against diseases. Disease free. Balanced diet is essential. You all have promised today. Please ask your mothers at home, Mama, we need a balanced diet. We need vegetables, we need what? Fruits, we need all the food items in a proper amount, in a proper proportions, which helps a lot for our health. This is called as the balanced diet that provides all the nutrients that our body needs in the right quantity. जितना जरूरी होता है बेटा उतना चाहिए. Along with adequate amount of roughage and water. I have already told you. डिस्कस किए थे हम लोगों ने, रफेज जरूरी होता है और पानी का भी जरूरी है. Deficiency of one or more nutrients in your food for a long time may cause certain diseases or disorders. कोई भी nutrients हम जब long gap आज मैंने खाई तो फिर दोबारा एक महीने तक I have not consumed that nutrient. तो what will happen? क्या होगा बेटा? I'll be suffered from certain diseases. Why? Because the lack of the nutrients. ये nutrients मुझे जरूरी था लेकिन मैंने लिया ही नहीं. That's why I'll be suffered. So that's why what I have told you before some minutes, balanced diet. This is an essential factor. Please keep inside your mind. We need balanced diet. Then we'll go for certain important words. Balanced diet, very carbohydrate, energy, fats, minerals, nutrients, proteins, roughage, scurvy, starch, vitamins, all are there. These are the important words. Please keep inside your mind. Okay, my dear students. So then, my dear students, we'll go certain exercises. Okay, certain exercises are there. We have already discussed about the topic components of food. So nicely we have interact. I have already given you liberty to ask me all the questions. Some of the students you have also asked me if you were doubt at that moment. And another one thing is there, my dear students. After completion of this class also, next class, whenever you will be in this classroom of Oriental learning, you may ask me if any doubt related to the today classes also. Regularly, you will feel free to ask me. I have no mind to mind. And do you know, my dear students, Oriental learning has prepared so nicely the syllabus according to the new education policy governed by our national government. So, if you will keep concentration, go through all the details of this topic related to all the subjects that Oriental learning providing here, and it is a challenge from Dr. Ajit Kumar Rana, your science faculty. Not only for science, I am asking about all the subjects provided by our Oriental learning. You must have to secure minimum 95% in each and every examination. I am telling you, no need to further go through any books, any notes. My Oriental learning notes, my Oriental learning teachers, what they have been providing in the classroom, more than sufficient. More than sufficient. But one thing is there. Now it is your duty. You must have to practice everything because, my dear, practice makes man perfect. Until your preparation is not good, you are revising all these things regularly at your home, not asking questions if you have any doubt, then nobody can help you. Sorry. But afterwards, Oriental learning is there. We are also there to help you a lot. No doubt. So, my dear students, let's go for certain exercises. Important questions related to this exercise, related to this chapter. This is called as the components of food for your class 6 science NCERT book, chapter 1. Question number 1. Name the major nutrients in your food. बताऊं अभी नहीं बताऊं, बता चुका हूं. We have already discussed so many times. Carbohydrate, proteins, fats, vitamins, minerals. nutrients, not asking out non-nutritive elements. Carbohydrates, proteins, I'm writing here again also. Carbohydrate, carbohydrates, then proteins, then fat, then your vitamins, then your minerals. Okay? Name the following. This is question number 1. Question number 2. Name the following. The nutrients which mainly give energy to our body. Tell me the name of the nutrients which provides us, give us energy. Tell me. Deepankar bola. Kya bola? Carbohydrate. Very good. Deepankar answer is correct. Carbohydrate. Carbohydrate. Very good. Excellent answer. Next. Second, V. The nutrients that are needed for the growth and maintenance of our body. The nutrients, tell me, we have already discussed so many nutrients. The nutrients that needed for the growth and maintenance of our body. Tell me, Ankita batao. Proteins, very good. Protein is the correct answer. Proteins, very good. Next, we'll go for the C. Number 2, C. A vitamin required for maintaining good eyesight. We have already discussed. Please recall it. सोचो. एक टेबलेशन था ना, टेबल के अंदर लिखा हुआ था. तो बताओ वही विटामिन का नाम जो हेल्प करता है, रिक्वायर्ड जरूरी होता है आई साइट को, विजन दिखने के लिए अच्छा दिखाई देंगे बेटा वही विटामिन खाने से. आंखें बताओ हु कैन से. हाँ विजय बताओ. विजय हाँ विटामिन ए. वेरी गुड. करेक्ट आंसर. सी इज vitamin A. Okay, next we'll go for the D. A mineral that is required for keeping our bones healthy. We have already discussed. ये बात हो चुका है बेटा कई बार, आज कई बार हो चुका है. Tell me who can say a mineral that is required for keeping our bones healthy. Calcium. Very good answer. Nandini also given answer today. Wow, very good. All my students belongs to Odeon Learning are genius, my dear. Okay. Calcium. Good. Then we'll go for number 3. Number 1 is complete. Number 2 is complete. We'll go for the number 3. Name 2 foods is rich in. कौन सा खाना के अंदर, कौन सी खाना हम खाते तो इसके अंदर फैट्स मिलेगा. ऐसे 2 खाना का नाम बताओ जो फूड आइटम्स है. नेम 2 फूड्स. द फूड आइटम्स टेल मी जिसके अंदर क्या मिलेगा, फैट्स मिलेगा. बताओ. अबिन बताओ. हाँ घी. अरे कब बताओ. अंजलि बटर. वेरी गुड. घी एंड बटर. वेरी गुड. घी एंड बटर. करेक्ट आंसर. देन टेल मी 2 फूड नेम्स that is filled with starch. पहले तो सोचो बेटा स्टार्च ऐसे कौन से न्यूट्रिएंट के बारे में we have discussed, हम बात किए थे जिसी के अंदर स्टार्च है. टेल मी. सोचो. हाँ दीपंकर बताओ. स्टार्च. वेरी गुड. कौन बताएगा. दीपंकर बताओ. स्टार्च. ओके गुड. पटाटो. देन वी हैव डन द टेस्ट किया था ना पटाटो लेके आयोडीन डाल के इसके ऊपर. तो बताओ पटाटो. अनदर इज हाँ बताओ. राइस. गुड. वेरी गुड आंसर. स्टार्च, पटाटो एंड अनदर इज राइस. दीज 2 food items from where we can get starch. Very good. Next we'll go for the number 3, C. Dietary fiber. Dietary fiber, it is a non-nutritive elements. Dietary fiber बताओ. Okay, very good. Then कौन बताएगा. वेरी गुड. बताओ. हाँ दिनेश बताओ. दिनेश. हाँ स्पिनाच. वेरी गुड. अनदर वन टेल मी. रवि. कैबेज. वेरी गुड. And also I am telling you, which is essential for you also, carrot. Carrot also, no issue, very good. Regularly please consume the carrot. Where? In the form of salad. You should know. Good. Then protein, tell me, in which food will get protein food items? Batao. सीधी बताओ. Oh, milk and pulses. Very good. Milk provides such a protein and also pulses. दाल से भी मिलता है प्रोटीन. मिल्क दूध से मिलता है और pulses दाल से भी मिलता है. Very good. Then we'll go for the next question. Number 3 के बाद number 4. Tick the statements that are correct. Those statements are correct. We'll put the tick mark. Okay? Very good. First you listen it. सोच पहले सुनो बेटा, सोच लगाना, तब सोच के बताना सही या गलत. जब ठीक तो टिक लगाओ, जब गलत तो क्रस लगाओ. चले. Good. By eating rice alone, we can fulfill nutritional requirement of our body. सिर्फ चावल खाओ, कुछ नहीं खाना, दाल नहीं खाना, सब्जी नहीं खाना, चिकन नहीं खाना, मटन नहीं खाना, सलाद नहीं खाना, हो जाएगा क्या? सब कुछ मिलेगा? सही है गलत? गलत. गुड. विल पुट क्रॉस हियर. वेरी गुड. नेक्स्ट, डेफिशिएंसी डिजीजेस कैन बी प्रिवेंटेड बाय ईटिंग ए बैलेंस्ड डाइट. जब बैलेंस डाइट, संतुलन, सही सलामत खाना हम खाएं, तब ये शरीर को निरोग रख सकता है बेटा, नहीं तो फ्री फ्रॉम डिजीज. यस एंड नो? इट इज राइट और रॉन्ग? राइट. गुड. Today our mission is that now we all consume from today balanced diet. You should know. Good. Balanced diet for the body should contain a variety of food items. Yes and no? Yes. Very good. Sab yes bol diya na. Now that means you all are confident in the classroom. Very good. I am happy. I am too much happy. The last one for the question number 4. Meat alone is sufficient to provide all nutrients to the body. सिर्फ मटन खाने से हो जाएगा? नहीं ना? Wow, very good. My kids are excellent, beta. Thank you. That means you all have given your best effort today classes. I'm happy. Then we'll go for the question number 5. Fill in the blanks. खाली स्थान भरो. जो खाली है ना उसको भरना चाहिए. Good. Gas is caused by deficiency of vitamin D. Vitamin D ना खाने से आज ए न्यूट्रिएंट इन योर फूड, तो कौन सा डिजीज होगा बेटा बताओ? रिकेट्स. वेरी गुड आंसर. RICKETS. रिकेट्स. देन नंबर बी, डेफिशिएंसी ऑफ डैश कॉजेस ए डिजीज नोन एज वेरी विटामिन B1. B1 for very. Okay. Then we'll go for the third question. Deficiency of vitamin C causes a disease known as, we have already studied, scurvy. And the last one, night blindness is caused due to deficiency of dash in our body, then vitamin A. These all are the question and answer part of this exercise. This is called as what? Components of food. So my dear students, always what? Take a balanced diet, and then what will happen? You all will become healthy and free from diseases. My dear students, today we have discussed a lot many things in this chapter that is called as components of food. And overall, we have finished all the points related to what? The different nutrients in the food. Number one is macronutrients, that is carbohydrate, proteins and fats. Then we have discussed about the micronutrients, your vitamins and minerals. And afterwards, one non-nutritive elements, that is there are two items. One is your raw phase and as well as another one is water. And at last, after completion of all these points related to our chapter number 1 in standard 6 related to our NCERT science, that is components of food, we have already discussed about all the question answers. But one question at last I will ask you. What is the day promise after this class? Please, we all should take one oath today. That is what? From today, we'll ask our mothers, मम्मी को जाके पूछना, मम्मा ओरियन लर्निंग साइंस सर आज बता दिया, मुझे जो मंचूरियन और जो चिकन पकोड़ा रेगुलर ये जो मेरा आदत था ना, नो मामा, सर ने बोला कि आई विल ईट ए बैलेंस्ड डाइट from today. So we should take an oath today. From today onwards, we'll ask our mothers, Mama, मुझे चावल दो, you please give me rice. मुझे दाल दो, I need pulses. मुझे mixed veg curry दो, I need सब्जी. मुझे फल दो, I need fruits. सब कुछ मुझे मिला जुला के खाना चाहिए. I need a balanced diet. For what? Mama, do you know? I'll become healthy. I'll become energetic. Then only I'll become an ideal student and I'll fulfill the aim and objective of my parents. Thank you, my dear students. Thank you for valuable cooperation for today. Again, we'll meet in the next class. And another one important thing, please practice everything what I have told you in the today classes. And my dear students, if you have any doubt, no need to worry. I am one of your best friends. Please ask me in the next class all your doubts. I have no mind to mind, and we both are internally and also externally minded students discuss all the chapters related to a specific chapter, specific topic, specific points. And further, if you have any doubt, again also we'll discuss in the next class. Thank you for today. Thank you for your valuable effort. Thank you for your valuable cooperations. May God bless you. Thank you. Bye. Good day.